In this video, I would like to highlight the benefits as well as the features of interactive brokers trading platform, particularly for beginners. Interactive brokers, it's a well-known, it's a well-regarded, it's a popular brokerage firm known for its advanced trading tools and a broad range of investment options. And so here are an overview of what they offer to investors. Number one is low commission. Low commissions. Interactive brokers is known for a low commission structure, which is attractive to active traders because generally, commissions do eat into one's overall profits, and the lower the commission, the higher your profits, all things being equal. So this particular platform, they charge low commissions whenever their clients execute trades through this platform. Number two, advanced trading platform. They offer the trader workstation platform, which can provide advanced charting. It provides technical analysis as well as a range of trading tools. If you are interested in trading in stock, you want to be a stock trader, then of course this particular platform will do you a ton of good because you could very easily have access to advanced kind of charts, because as a trader you need to consult your charts regularly. They equally give you information on technical analysis, price movements, moving averages, and the rest. They provide all those things to help you function optimally as a trader in the market. Number three, global market access. Provides access to over 133 markets in 33 countries, allowing for international trading. And this is a very important feature we need to take into consideration, particularly for those people who are, for investors outside the United States. This platform is global. It has a global reach in the sense that it covers as much as 33 countries. And if you're within those catchment countries, those catchment areas, then of course you have access to the benefits inherent in this platform. Number four, wide range of instruments. It supports trading in stocks, not only stocks. You can equally trade options, you can trade futures, you can trade forex, bonds, and more. Please be very careful if you want to trade options and futures. It's not just for everybody. It's complicated, it's risky, it's relatively, you can very easily lose your money. So all the same, this platform offers the options of trading, the opportunity of trading in these asset classes. Number five is research and data. Research and data. It offers extensive research and data tools, including market news, analysis, and real-time quotes. Real-time quotes here means that whatever the stock is selling at in the market, you equally get to see the same price on the platform. It's real-time, transmitted from the market. You get to see it, on the platform. And so you can make, real-time investment decisions. It's very good for traders. They equally give you access to markets, relevant, timely market news. Whether you like it or not, the market to some extent is guided by news, is regulated, is influenced by current events. And so the more knowledgeable or the more informed you are when it comes to the news you have access to, that will one way or the other influence the way you execute your trade in the market. Number six, margin accounts. Provides competitive margin rates, which can be beneficial for leverage trading. Be mindful of leverage. Be mindful of trading on margin. At the end of the day, when you hear that dreaded margin call, you may be in trouble. It's not for everybody, but if you have the capacity to bear the risk, you are experienced enough, you can make use of their margin accounts, as long as you will not encounter margin calls. Margin here means they're giving you money on credit, they're loaning you money to trade. Okay, if you lose the money, you end up losing your own money in the process through the margin call. Number 7, account type. Account types. They offer various account types, including individual, joint, retirement accounts, and institutional accounts. As an individual investor, you could open a cash management account. You may open a checking account with these under this platform. So interactive brokers gives you the advantage, the provision to choose any account you want to operate with them, which will go a long way in enhancing even your trade and transactions in the markets. Number 8, low account minimum. Low account minimum generally requires a lower account minimum compared to some other brokers, making it accessible for serious traders. In this case, it is not a zero account opening provision. No, you must have some money, but it is the amount is a lower amount. It's not very high. At least most people can afford the minimum account they stipulate. Number 9, education resources. Provides educational materials such as webinars, such as tutorials, such as articles, and they help users improve their trading skills and knowledge. Usually, the more knowledgeable you are, the better your trading skills will be. And so investment is a knowledge-based endeavor. It's a knowledge-based enterprise. The more you know, the better your chance of getting better results. They say the more you learn, the more you earn. That particular maxim, that particular saying is applicable to investing in the stock market. It's applicable to investing in general. Please subscribe to this channel and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like this video because it will do me a ton of good. Number 10 is customer support. They offer 24 hours customer support via phone, through chats, through email, with dedicated support for traders in different time zones. Wherever you're trading from, on different time zones of the world, you can always access support when and wherever necessary to help you in your trading activities. Interactive brokers is often favored by professional and active traders due to its extensive range of tools and global market access. If you are creating a video, and you want me to create a video, you want me to elaborate more on this particular platform, I think if you indicate it in the comment section, probably I will find time to give you a more detailed analysis of this particular platform. And the most important thing here is that it has a global reach compared to other brokers that tend to concentrate majorly on the US market. Their reach is quite global because they are present in about 33 countries and they operate in over 130 markets. You want to be an international investor, you want to invest beyond your geographical boundary, I will advise you use interactive brokers. They will go a long way in helping you to access markets outside your domestic economy. This is an advantage that other brokers may not have. the habits for you. So key in and make use of this particular privilege.